Good evening, class. My name is Justin Granger, and I'll be spending probably just a little bit too much time talking about myself this evening. Again, like I said, my name is Justin Granger. I am one of three boys. I am the oldest. My brothers and I were all born in January, June, and July, and we're all 2 years apart. How that happened, I don't want to know. I'm originally from Las Vegas, Nevada. Some people are probably like, whoa, really? A lot of people know people have been there. They've been there themselves, but they don't know anybody who's, I'd say, specifically from there. But I am from Las Vegas. Um, I am I am from the military. I am one of the first people in my family in the United States to join any branch of the military. I was in for a little over 7 years, and then I was medically chaptered out. Now I currently work at a bank. I work at SunTrust Bank here in Columbus, Georgia. Um, I take pride in what I do with the military and with my job now. Um, I have a beautiful wife. We will be married for 6 years this year. My wife and I together, we have a blended family, so we have 5 children, and I wouldn't change it for the world. Um, Again, like I said, my name is Justin Granger. Um, I've spent probably just a little bit too much time talking about myself, which I'm very uncomfortable doing. But I did want to say this: I do wish everybody luck throughout this course, and I look forward getting to know everybody through reading about you as well as watching your videos. And I hope you have a blessed evening.